The reason why I'm so big on you going after your PMP, I'm not talking. I understand that you're wondering what value is it going to hold, but I challenge you and say, who are you going to become in the journey of getting your PMP? Because again, that PMP test is not an easy test. You can ask plenty of people, because if it was an easy test, why couldn't somebody with the, my experience, people who have more experience than me, just why wouldn't they just schedule their test and walk in and just sit and take the test? because it's because it's different. It's different, not different on the aspect of it's not project management, but what I'm saying, the reason why it's different is because a lot of those tools, techniques, how you use the PMBOK may be different than how you use it in the organization. You may be using it, but you don't really realize that you're using it because you're calling it something different. So I'm saying all that to say the importance of, you need to make the decision what's going to be right for you and your family.